Okay guys, we're going to teach you the classic waltz. So you can do this in any sort of waltz music. Traditionally, waltz music is in 3/4 simple time. So let's go ahead and start this. So Hannah and I are going to be a couple. So gentlemen, you hold the lady's right hand with your left, like so. And then you hold her upper back with your palm, and so just holding on to her shoulder blade. Okay. Ladies, your left palm is on your partner's right shoulder. Okay, so this is it. Make sure you keep your elbows up, and so that is excellent posture. So it's slightly rigid in posture traditionally. Okay, so this is the tricky part. So a waltz step is traditionally, of course it's in 3/4, so it involves 3 movements. So it's 1 big step and 2 smaller steps. So it's all waltzes start off with gentlemen launching off with your left foot, ladies with your right foot. So it's 1 big step, 1, gentlemen and ladies bring your left foot up to meet your right foot, and gentlemen your right foot up to meet your left foot. So that's 2, and then gentlemen you stomp the next one if you're a little step on the spot with your left foot, and ladies you do it with your right foot, like so. So that's 1 waltz motion, and then the complementary step is doing it the opposite way, launching off with your right foot in a big step like this. So it always begins with, it's a pattern of left, right, left, right, left, right, but in 3/4 times. So it's in 3 beats. So fast motion is like this. And then slowly, as you get better and better at waltzing, then smaller steps, the ones in between, so 2, 3, become nothing. So keep your feet slightly on your tippy toes and not on your heels so much, so it leads to more elegant dancing and less thumpy. So like so. So an elegant waltz is like this. Oftentimes, waltzing is done in an anti-clockwise fashion while rotating clockwise. So as Hannah and I were just doing, so making sure the posture is still nice and straight. So just to recap, waltzing has 3 steps, and it's just repeated and repeated. You launch off with your left foot, then your right foot, then your left foot. So it's, without Hannah gentlemen, it looks like this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And ladies, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So keeping light on your toes. Gentlemen, you are the leader of this dance, so make sure you are leading the ladies, and that often comes with pressure on the shoulder blade in which direction you want it to go. You can also get creative, and so you've launched off with your left foot, but you might want to pull your lady towards you if you wanted to go backwards instead of to your right, but you're still launching off with your right foot. So did you see that? We'll repeat that one. So I did 1, 2, 3, or we have back, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, side, 2, 3. That's something you can remember. It's great to practice, so I suggest you jump up and try it with your partner now. So this video was intended for the 2018 Masquerade Ball. This is a great first video if you're going to go on and watch the other videos. Thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe.